Here's a quick guide to despair. Let's begin with the light. These are the ways despair tells the truth. The ways it shows you where something deeply important has felt lost, broken, or unreachable. The ways it reveals the depth of your longing, your care, and your capacity to feel. And these are the ways despair can take over. When pain becomes emptiness, when longing becomes collapse, when the belief that nothing will get better becomes the belief that you don't deserve better. Underneath both sides, despair is trying to protect something tender. Let this question help you stay honest with yourself. And if you choose to act, let it be gentle. Take what you need, leave the rest.